starting point. So what is the starting point? So very first thing you need to transform is your thinking. Okay. And the thinking is about time. So of course I don't have to tell you that time is the most precious resource. Okay. But अभी बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि time is separate from life. Okay. Time is something separate and life is something separate. But ऐसा नहीं है. Time and life are one and the same thing. Okay. So whatever you do, you do it when? When do you do it, guys? आप कुछ भी करते हो, कब करते हो? आप कुछ भी करते हो, आप कब करते हो? Rajat Goyal says when we have time, undecided time. Okay. मतलब आप कुछ भी करते हो ना, आप एक्चुअल में अभी करते हो. You do it now. Okay. So whatever you do, okay. Right now you are attending this webinar. Okay. So this is your life. You are attending a webinar in your life right now. Okay. So time is nothing, but it's just measuring your life. Okay. Time and life are not two separate things. So this will become a bit more clear. So what is the key in which you can make yourself, infinitely more productive? Like you, I am also an entrepreneur. मैं भी आपकी तरह entrepreneur हूँ और मैं भी daily office पहुँच रहा था. I used to go by 9 o'clock and I was spending till 7 p.m., 8 p.m. in the office. And at the end of the week, I used to wonder कि मैंने क्या किया and what have I achieved in the whole week. And it was not much. But I made one small promise to myself. And after making that commitment, everything changed completely. Okay. So, but I can also tell you what it is and it will also change your life permanently. So even if you take one thing today from this webinar, you take this and your life will be permanently changed. Okay. But I can only tell this to those people who are committed. So if you're committed to following that small thing, please type committed in the chat. मैं ये सिर्फ उन्हीं लोगों को बताऊंगा जो कमिट करेंगे, बिकॉज सिर्फ सुनने का क्या फायदा है? सिर्फ सुन करके तो आप चले जाओगे and it will not serve any purpose. Okay. So only for people who are committed, I will tell it to those people who are committed. So please type in the chat. So what was that one small thing that changed my entire productivity and I was much more productive and creating amazing results every week of my life? So one promise to change everything. So what was that promise? So I made this small promise to myself, guys. So what was that promise? That I will not start work till my entire week is fully planned. So many times it used to happen कि हम लोग ऑफिस चले जाते हैं and bigger planning के काम करना शुरू कर देते हैं on Monday. Okay. And the entire week goes by and you don't have anything to show. Right? So I said, nahi. Before I enter my office on the Monday, I'm going to plan what I want from Monday, what I want from Tuesday, what I want to get done on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay. Because if I do not know what I want, then no one else has the power to give it to me. Right? मैंने देखा in life, there are only two powers that really work. One is the power of your commitment. Okay, if you are fully committed about something, आपने जो कुछ भी आज तक हासिल किया है, it is because of your commitment that you have got it. आपने अपनी commitment की वजह से हासिल किया है. Okay, कल को आपको कोई अपने loved one के लिए कोई medicine चाहिए हो, you will do whatever it takes, but you will get that medicine from them, for them. That is the power of commitment. But it will only happen if you know कि क्या commit किया है. And many times what we do is that कि we don't write down what we want on Monday, or we don't write down what we want on Tuesday, on Wednesday. Why? Because we are very lazy. हम लोग सब कामचोर हैं. हम लोग लिखते नहीं हैं क्योंकि लिख दिया तो करना पड़ेगा. So the best way to avoid work is not to write down. And if you yourself don't know what you want, your power of commitment will fail. And there is another higher power. That is the power of the universe, or you can say manifestation. So does anyone know about manifestation or law of attraction? Guys, किसी को idea है? What does manifestation or law of attraction say? If anyone can say very quickly. आप अनम्यूट करके बोल सकते हो. What does it say? Manifestation or law of attraction?
Manifestation basically means that anything that you want in life, you should visualize that this thing has actually happened. You should visualize, like, if you want that my business has a turnover of 100 crore rupees, just visualize that you're telling your employees that our business is now cross 100 crore rupees every day.
So in a simple way, Rajat, if I say whatever you think about, it becomes reality. Am I right?
Yes, you believe that it will happen, and the universe will conspire to you.
So, but you must know what you want. Am I right?
Yes, it is. It should be absolutely clear.
So now, suppose Rajat, if you don't know what you want on Monday, will you get it? If you don't know what you want on Tuesday, will you get it? If you don't know what you want from the entire week, will you get it? You will not get it, right? ना तो कमिटमेंट काम करेगा, ना लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन काम करेगा, सब फेल हो जाएगा. ओके, सो इसके लिए ये बहुत जरूरी है, ओके, कि मैंने ये कमिटमेंट किया एंड मेनी टाइम्स आई वाज इवन सिटिंग इन माय कार में एसी चला करके मैं ऑफिस में अंदर नहीं गया टिल द टाइम माय वीक वाज फुली प्लान्ड. ओके, सो इफ यू डोंट डिसाइड what you want, no power in the universe can help you. So guys, very simple commitment that today you have made with me. You will not enter your office, or if you're working from home, you will not start working till your entire week is fully planned. Is that confirmed? Yes or no? Yes or no? Please type in the chat. Confirmed है कि नहीं है? Great. So it doesn't matter कि आप employee हैं, employer हैं. So what you need to do, I will tell you very, very simple technique. So I always schedule 1 week in advance. You can use anything. You can use Google Calendar, आप use कर सकते हैं, Apple Calendar use कर सकते हैं, pen and paper use कर सकते हैं. Write down the important things that you want to do, you want to achieve. Okay. Many people, they want to follow the plan, but they are not able to follow because they are making an important mistake. बहुत सारे लोग डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हो जाते हैं बिकॉज दे आर अनवांटेड इंटरप्शंस एंड डिस्ट्रैक्शंस. तो आई एम टेलिंग यू द टेक्निक टू सॉल्व दैट. तो व्हाट इज द टेक्निक? तो गाइज, लाइक अ कार हैज अ शॉक एब्जॉर्बर, जैसे गाड़ी में शॉक एब्जॉर्बर होता है, कैलेंडर में भी शॉक एब्जॉर्बर चाहिए. बिटवीन एवरी टास्क गिव अ ब्रेक ऑफ 15 मिनट्स. ओके, so that then you can check the missed call, check the WhatsApp, check the email, okay, get some fresh air, but not between the task. तो जब आप काम कर रहे हो तो don't get distracted. Between every work, give a few minutes break, maybe 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes as per your requirement. Then second thing, every day keep 1 to 2 hours free. 1 से 2 घंटा free रखिए because of unexpected work, unexpected people walking in. Or suppose someone comes and disturb this meeting, so I can take this meeting during this buffer time. Okay, I have some other unexpected work, I can do it during the buffer time. So every day 1 to 2 hours I am not planning anything. इतना flexibility रखना बहुत ही critical है. And then finally we have the weekly buffer. So half a day totally free रखिए आप. So by keeping it free, you can plan for much bigger interruptions, much bigger work that may come your way, and this will give you the flexibility to ensure that your work is not getting disturbed. Okay guys, did you get it? 15 to 20 minutes between every work, 1 to 2 hours every day, keep it free, and half a day, maybe Thursday, maybe Wednesday, maybe Friday, just keep it completely open. Okay, so this will allow you to move things around. Now mastering time, once you have done mastering time, because like I said कि ये ना एक्चुअली में आप ना ये अपनी लाइफ क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. God has given you the power to create the life the way you want. Whatever you want to achieve, just write it down. Okay, so you are not creating a calendar, you are creating the life. Okay, so even on Monday you want to make it more interesting, just go and watch a movie with your wife. You can put it that on the calendar itself. ठीक है ना? आप जो भी करना चाहते हो आप कैलेंडर पे डाल लो. यू आर क्रिएटिंग योर लाइफ. दिस इज नॉट अ कैलेंडर. ओके, दिस इज नॉट टाइम. यू आर एक्चुअली क्रिएटिंग अ लाइफ. ठीक है ना? हाउ यू वांट द मंडे टू बी, हाउ यू वांट द ट्यूसडे टू बी, हाउ यू वांट दिस एंटायर वीक टू बी. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट यू आर डूइंग.